What's going on? It's your boy T. I'm back again with another video. This video is a little bit different, man. This is me actually making a beater box. I got the homie Mike in New York hit me up a couple weeks ago about building a box, a custom box. Now I build these all the time, but bro wanted something a little bit special. He wanted a $3,500 mystery box. I have never built one that expensive before. This is my first time building one that expensive. I'm a little anxious about it, a little scared, because I like to, make sure everybody's happy in these mystery boxes. A little scared, but I'm also a little pumped too, because I know he really appreciates some of the older SBs. Like, he really loves sneakers. He really loves YouTube. I'm gonna post this video after he actually does his unboxing on his channel, so I will link his channel down below, so you guys can go see him and his reaction to his mystery box. Like I said, this is $3,500. This ain't nothing to play with. It's a big boy box. I built the box already, and I brought it up here because I want to grab something out of the unit. But I built the box because a lot of this stuff I had at the house. But this is his box. This is what I put in here. First up, size 11. We got bread toes. These are pre-owned bread toes, size 11. Next up, I don't even want to take these out the box, but I will show y'all. These are dead stock, size 12. These are Nike Dunk Laser Michael Desmond dunks. This is all laser etched. These are crazy. These are dead stock, size 12, very rare. Especially brand new, very, very rare. Put these back in here. I hate doing videos kind of at the unit because I always feel like I'm rushing because I want to get it done before somebody actually walk in here, because I don't want people being nosy. Next up, we got some dunks, size 9. We got the University Golds. You guys might have just seen me grab these out of one of my boxes that I unboxed on the channel. Pre-owned, good condition, size 9 on those. Ooh, Drake OBOs, retro 10s. These are dead stock. These are the black pair. Very, very dope. My bad, y'all. I thought I heard somebody coming in. All right, next up, we got some Travis Scott Jordan 4s. These are size 11 and a half. These are pre-owned. In great shape though. Boom. I know he gonna like that. Lucy. You guys haven't seen these. I got these in one of my expensive boxes from Soul Supremacy. All these kicks came from Soul Supremacy. That's the only people I buy from. But we got the Brooklyn Air Force Ones, the off-white joints, RP to Virgil. These are fire. These go for crazy bread. Even without a box, they still going for like 1,000. Let me show y'all these. These right here are dead stock. This is something I'm putting in his box. I've been having them for a minute, and I think he might really appreciate it. I hope he does, because this is one of the bangers. That's why it's at the bottom of the box. But these are 12 and a half, which is a rare size. Box is in great shape, and you just don't see these. We got some dead stock Nike Dunk High Pro SBs. These are called the Sea Crystals. These are dead stock. These things fetch, if you know, you know. Like, these go for crazy bread. They're old, but man, these are nice. I mean, a good money shoot. Not really my style, but I know he's into the nostalgia of things, and he might never seen these. He might have to look on his phone to see what those are, but I doubt it, because he seemed pretty knowledgeable about kicks, y'all. Last up, we got in this box. This is a shoe that came. I've been having them for a minute. I was sitting on these, but these are Jordan 1, a Union, size 13. We got the Storm Blue joints, not dead stock, but super clean. These will fetch at least 1,000 by themselves, used. So between these the Unions, the Off-White Virgils, and these Sea Crystals. Maybe one more pair he can get his 3,500 back. And then all the rest of that will be profit for my guy. I know a lot of you guys hit me up about mystery boxes and I ship them out all the time, but with this one being a $3,500 box and him being a real supporter of the channel, dude been subscribed to me, said for a while, been watching me since the old days of unboxing. So I wanted to make sure I got a video out for this expensive box, and also show some love to his channel. Like I said, I'll put a link down below to him. His name is Mike, man. Super chill dude. I hope he enjoys this box, man. Like I said, I get nervous on building up these expensive boxes like this. This was 35. This is the most expensive one I've ever built, but I have built up, you know, $1,500, $2,500 boxes before, but I never made a video for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what y'all think about this box. Like I said, I'm gonna post this video after he posts his, so I actually got to go ship these out, ship this box out to him, and I believe, yeah, I got the label already on here, so all I gotta do is tape this bad boy up, ship it out, and it's all his. I'm gonna do a priority so he can have it in 2 days. He got a sneaker event he trying to put these in, so hopefully he'll get this box in time so he can take it to the show and make his bread back. I'm here at the unit, so I got a little cleaning up to do before I get out of here. It is cold, it is rainy, and it's wet outside, hence the fit today. Been off work, so your boy been grinding as far as these shoes. I got more beater boxes coming in, so you guys know I should have some more videos going out to y'all. Thank you for everybody who been hitting me up on the for sale page. T Got Sold for sale, and T Got Sold. If you want to follow the main page, hit me up. You see anything in the upcoming videos. These is my boys Mike. Nothing in this video is for sale. These are not mine anymore. So thank you guys. Thank you again, Mike. Special shout out to you, bro. I appreciate anybody who put that kind of trust in me to send me that amount of money. Is crazy. I appreciate the love and support y'all be showing me. Like I said, man, just to put that kind of trust in somebody to build you up a quality box. He actually told me before he got finessed. And I'm not even laughing at him. I'm laughing at the fact that people would even try to do that kind of thing. But yeah, that's frustrating, and I could never. I don't even want to picture that. But enough rambling. I'm trying to hurry up because I think some people coming back to the unit. I actually came up here like 20 minutes ago, and some people was up here, so I didn't think I was gonna be able to get a video out to y'all. Went to the post office, shipped some kicks out, and as I was coming back here, I peeked in the parking lot. Nobody was up here, so I was like, bet, let me go ahead and knock this out, because I really wanted to do this video for y'all. And I got a $900 box coming in, so I should be able to do a video for that. Y'all probably gonna see that video before y'all see this one. Anyway, I'm done rambling. Appreciate y'all. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe button, and give my boy Mike a follow. That's it. I'm out. Peace.